Jingpeng Machinery was founded in 2015 and is headquartered in Shanghai. It has been pioneering in the field of Industry 4.0 and strives to become a well-known brand in this field. The German brand YOSO has made firm investments in the research and development and production of top linear transmission products, and its products cover the transmission field. The company's main series include linear guides, ball screws, linear bearings and racks, motor products and controllers with complete parameters, and single-axis robots that can greatly improve the level of automation. What really gives Jingpeng Machinery its core advantage is its uninterrupted R&D investment and design capabilities. The seamless integration of industry and trade enables us to create customized transmission system solutions that meet the different needs of global customers. Whether it is a Fortune 500 giant or an emerging startup, YOSO products have dual CE and ISO certifications to ensure that the product technical parameters are competitive at the international first-line level. The products have been successfully sold to markets in 47 countries and regions, winning the market's choice and trust. We have a modern factory equipped with advanced facilities, a team of 200 highly skilled professional engineers, 17 modern production lines, and accept OEM and ODM orders. We strictly control every link of the production process, from raw materials to factory quality inspection. If you are looking for reliable linear motion solutions or custom manufacturing services, contact us.